All right, so how to take out a fan motor. This is a GMC. Yukon, could be a Yukon, a Suburban, a Tahoe. You have this cover, right? It's held on by two 7mm screws. So you got one here, you got one here. So we take it off because I already took it off. Pull it out, and you'll see that this cord is plugged. This is plugged into this. This is your fan motor. You're like saying, how the hell does that come off? Real easy. Just come over here, turn it left, and pull it down. And there she is. So there you have it. Very simple. I did it within a minute, 2 minutes.